Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off share on Facebook. So let's start the video. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Navigate to the post you want to restrict. In the top right corner of the post, tap the three dots to open the post options. Tap on Edit Privacy. Select Friends if you want only your friends to see it. For more restriction, you can choose Only Me or create a custom list of who can see the post. Once you have selected your preferred audience, check the Change As. And that's how you can turn off the share on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.